Hey guys, before I start this video, I just wanted to say that this video is 100% for educational purposes. That is what the inventor of this device made this device for, and that is the only reason why I wanted to represent what modern day and age technology is capable of, and just wanted to keep you guys up to date with what's going on out there. So enjoy. Internet is a very useful thing, but the only problem internet does is that it put everyone in the same exact line. So if you know how to control that line, you are able to access anyone's information and manipulate it in any way, any form you want it to. And that brings us to this Deauther Watch. Keyword here is Deauther. Now, Deauther is something which is not new at all. In fact, it has been used since ages by telecom companies to disconnect clients safely from wireless networks. But wearing them as a watch was something a few years ago was unimaginable. However, just as a safety, this product does not work with 5G networks, but anything below that is super easy to catch and manipulate. Using this product is simple. You can see I'm connected to the internet right here, and what I'm gonna do over here is scan for APN stations. This thing may take some time, but it'll be done sooner than expected, and you will have access to the information of what kind of stations and APs are out there near your area. Now, for security reasons, I could not show the stations I have near my area, but from here you select one of those stations and continue to the next step. The next step would be attacking the selected stations. You can do Deauth over here, which you can see will disconnect the phone in your range which you selected. It also comes with a watch, but you will have to adjust the time every time you turn the watch on, so it's kind of useless. There's also an LED feature which is useful sometimes. I don't know, maybe you need light. Now this is the coolest feature this thing has. This is called packets. You can watch what all packets you have in different channels after the scan, so it's pretty cool. And you need to charge this, obviously, and this uses the old Android charger. I don't know what's it called anymore, and looks pretty cool in your hand. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this quick vid. Once again, this video was only for educational purposes, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.